Understanding, hands are tied, unraveling idioms in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, hands are tied. Idioms are an essential part of mastering a language, as they often carry meanings that go beyond their literal words. So, let's unlock the secrets of this intriguing expression. The phrase, hands are tied, is an idiom used to express a situation where a person is unable to act or influence a situation due to certain restrictions or limitations. It's like saying you want to do something, but you can't, not because you don't want to, but because external factors prevent you. Imagine being in a scenario where you're willing to help, but rules, regulations, or circumstances just won't allow it. That's when your hands are tied. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, hands are tied, likely originates from the literal situation of having one's hands bound, rendering them incapable of performing tasks. Historically, this could refer to prisoners or captives who were physically restrained. Over time, this literal term evolved into a metaphorical expression to describe situations of constraint or inability to act freely. Knowing an idiom is one thing, but using it correctly in context is another. Let's look at some examples. 1. At work. I'd love to approve your leave request, but the company policy is strict. My hands are tied. 2. In personal situations. I really wanted to lend you the money, but with my current financial situation, my hands are tied. 3. Legal context. The judge wanted to be lenient, but given the mandatory sentencing laws, her hands were tied. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to express a lack of control due to external factors. English is rich with idioms conveying similar meanings. Here are a few. Tied up, busy or unable to do other things. Bound by, obligated or restricted due to a commitment or rule. Straitjacketed, severely restricted in ability to act or function. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, hands are tied. Remember, idioms add color and depth to language, and understanding them is key to fluency. We hope this video has untied some of the complexities of English idioms for you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.